Animal cruelty is inflicting physical pain, suffrage, or death of an animal. No one really seems to pay as much attention to the helpless animals. Almost everyone watches TV, but when those sad animals in need commercials come on, nobody can help but change the channel to avoid the sadness. But really, it's a cry for help. There's a big range of cruelty and the harm of it. Some animal cruelty could simply be letting your dog live in a doghouse outside. You may think they're fine, but when it rains, it could easily flood. Also, leaving a dog on a line outside all day isn't safe. They need a good shelter. Then there's more serious cruelty. The demand for animal products is becoming a high demand, which leaves the workers stressed and the animals suffering. Farms will beat their pigs with metal bats, chickens cooped in cages and not fed. Then there's entertaining and abused animals, such as circus animals. Monkeys are very popular for their intelligence and performance, but if they decide not to perform, it can put them into danger. Beating and starvation tend to occur. Even for television entertainment, animals have been tortured, even killed. There is also animal testing. Dogs, rabbits, rats, mice, and monkeys are used to test prescription medicine, cosmetics, and even common household items. They may get the item pumped into their stomach or areas, which can end up leading to death. Lastly, dog fighting. This used to be a big issue when people would create businesses and have dogs fight. This caused many dogs dead and a bunch injured. Why do people abuse animals? There's no main reason, but some common ones are animals are defenseless, making them easy targets, personal pleasure, lack of empathy, or even because they suffer in silence. Thankfully, there are some organizations to help animals in need, such as PETA or People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. So give your voice and help animal cruelty.